Now in the standard package, the full package, you're going to get this sander right here. What we're doing right now, the standard issue sander comes with a very coarse grain that's not going to do very well in sanding the nose off your rounds. Right now we're just swapping out that rough grain band for a fine grain band. That fine grain band is included with the package with no additional charge. You'll just have to swap it in and out yourself, and that's how easy it is right there. Snap it out, put that belt on, tighten it, slap it in, and you're good to go. Just that quick right there. Now Jim's putting on the base plate for us. And everything you see right now is what you will receive when you purchase the full package. Tighten her down, and that's it right there. Ready to put some snub noses on.
There you go.